this is Jennifer and I'm here with Arnold. And he's sharing some awesome information.
So the question is, when Jennifer came to me, she said, I'm on a detox because of her health issue, right? And I said to her, listen, like this, I said to her, listen, everything's based on love. That's really hard to understand.
Yeah.
So when you go on a detox, to me it doesn't make sense at all. To me. Because knowing what I know, in order for the body to accept anything, it has to be in a state of love. Which means the body has already protocol for what's love, what's not love. What's love, what's not love. That's simple because the body's goal is to be alkaline. Alkaline all time. 7.4, you go 7.35, you die. And 75 trillion cells know that. 24,000 life units know that. 380 trillion viruses know that. The 16 billion bacteria know that immediately.
Woo!
Immediately, and only fruits and vegetables meet that qualifications. So when you're taking detox herbs or spice, not saying it's bad, not this is my opinion. Keep in mind, look at this. I'm a dishwasher. Dishwasher. I'm only a dishwasher, my opinion. The body understands truth, the body understands lie. 6 qualifications: glucose, protein, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, water in a complete package. If it doesn't have that, the body does not recognize it. Which means in order for her to rejuvenate her body, I don't like the word detox, the body's always detoxing, the body's always rejuvenating, just get out of its way. We are not designed to get sick. So I told her, instead of all these herbs which she bought, give them back. Give them back. I mean, it has to resonate with her. If it doesn't resonate, don't do it. The whole thing is, I'm just a dishwasher, I'm not a doctor, I'm just doing my little thing. Ready? I'm a big believer in rebounding. So what I do is, I do this pretty much every day. I did it last night, did it this morning. No, I didn't
Taking
do
off
this
the apron.
What?
You're taking off the apron.
Talking up the apron. Taking off the apron. And if you saw the way I do my rebounding, you would say, I have resistant bands, I have punching bag, I do this, boom, 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 boom. Anyway, rebounding works on 3 levels. Acceleration up, deceleration down, gravitational pull down. That's 3 separate energies on a single plane. When that happens, you have something called the interstitial fluid. And when you're jumping up and down, all that waste gets flushed out. When that happens, it activates something called your TH cells. They are killer cells. And they have something called hydrogen peroxide. Their job, you have trillions and trillions of these, their job is to go see any cell that's harmful to your well-being and destroy it. You know what that means? These trillions and zillions of soldiers, once your waste is cleared from your system, through the lymphatic system, it's to go to any cell that harms your being and destroy it. My friends, that's zillions of armies to your benefit. So this is my opinion, boom, boom, boom. The whole key is energy on digestion. Less energy on digestion, more time your body has to heal itself. Anyway, Jennifer, what do you think?
I think that love is the only thing that's real.
Want to explain your story a little bit?
So I got diagnosed with breast cancer 2 days ago. I came
That's scary, isn't it?
It was scary. I was right away, pushing surgery immediately. I have 2 little kids, 43, not 45.
Well, pretty. You look very tall.
Thank you. And I'm determined to heal it naturally. So Arnold's amazing. He helped me heal from brain injuries, concussions, and I'm going to heal from this. And we love you all.
Warrior.
Peace.
I'm a warrior.
We're all warriors.
Warrior.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Take care.